Hi, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
How's your weekend?
Yeah, my friend's cool. Hey,
Hi, Dora.
How you doing?
Yeah. I want to thank you for
Hi.
helping me with my assignment yesterday. I really appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad I could help.
Thank you.
By the way, your mom doesn't allow you to come out. I don't really like that.
Yeah, you know, that's very strict.
What on earth is going on here? Aren't you supposed to be in your classes?
We're not doing anything.
I don't want to hear any excuses. You're becoming a nuisance in this school, especially you, Ada. Now get back to your classes.
Let's go.
Hey, come back here. What are you hiding?
Nothing.
Now go.
Let's go.
Look at her. Very unserious students. Especially this Ada. I pity her parents. I wonder when she will ever change. Teenagers can be very difficult to manage.
Hey. What's your It is over the weekend. So take this one. I'm a good artist, don't play. Hi. Joshua, right?
You know my name?
Of course I know your name despite you're a new student. You introduced yourself on the first day of school, remember?
Yeah, sure, I did.
Hi, I'm Olivia. How are you coping being a new student, even though you resumed on the third term?
Well, it's not easy making new friends, actually. I was transferred here to finish my high school. My dad is a pastor, so he was transferred here to the Lagos branch.
Oh, wow. I understand how tense it can be being a new student. But don't worry, just be free. Be yourself. Everyone here is very friendly once you get to know them.
I hope so, but the thing is, I'm not, too good with making friends.
I understand. I'm sure you miss your friends you left behind. But trust me, here at Royal High, you'll definitely enjoy your experience.
All right, thank you. I'll be looking forward to that.
You're welcome, my new friend.
Thank you very much, Olivia.
You're welcome. Ada, give me back my sketchbook.
Whenever there's a new student in this school, you need to allow us size him up to be sure that we are not interested in him or her before you start flaunting and throwing yourself at the person.
And what does that mean exactly?
What does that mean? Oh, I don't understand. He doesn't understand. I'm going to show you.
Oh, and that is so mean, right?
No, that is not mean.
Olivia.
Olivia? What's wrong with you? I was wondering why you're not dressed for school yet. Huh?
My head hurts. I'm feeling a lot of pain.
You're running temperature. What's this?
Oh.
Oh, no. You can't go to school today. Come. Come freshen up. Let's go to the hospital. We need to see the doctor. What's this? Sorry. Freshen up fast, okay?
Madam,
Yes.
The results of the test we conducted on your daughter is out.
Okay.
Your daughter is suffering from a medical condition we call lupus.
Lupus.
Yes.
Okay. Doctor, please, what does that mean?
Lupus is an autoimmune disease. This means that Olivia's immune system is attacking our own tissues and organs.
My God.
That is, it can affect different systems of our body, like the skin, and that explains the rash on the skin, the joints, the kidney, and so on.
Kidney?
Yes, we have different types of autoimmune diseases. But the one we found on your daughter is the one we called SLE. That's the systematic lupus erythematosus. You can call it SLE for short.
SLE?
Yes.
Okay. Doctor, please, is it curable? I mean, how can we treat it?
I'll be frank with you, ma'am. For now, lupus has no cure, but it can be well managed if we administer the right treatment. We have different kinds of treatment for lupus, but the most commonly used one is what we call the prednisone. Although sometimes we also use ibuprofen to manage the pains. You see, with the use of prednisone, it will reduce inflammation and subsides the strength of our immune system.
Doctor, how long does she have to take the drugs? Is it for the rest of her life?
Madam, it depends on her. It depends on how fast she responds to treatment. For some, they might take prednisone for a couple of months, and others, it takes a longer period. But she needs to take this prednisone every day until she gets better. She'll be fine.
Okay, doctor, I mean, does this affect her daily life? I mean, she still goes to school. Is this communicable? Can she still relate with her friends?
Madam, I want you to calm down. You see, let me start with the communicable one. Lupus is not communicable. So, yes, she can still go on with her normal day-to-day routine. But I would like to advise that you give her a lot of rest time. And she needs to inculcate a healthy food routine, a balanced diet. And again, she needs to reduce her exposure to sunlight. With that, she should be fine. She'll be fine. She will not die of it. That's if
it is now so clear that everywhere I go, anywhere I am, everything I do, every road I take leads me back.
Daddy!
My baby girl! How you doing?
I'm fine,
Yeah,
Daddy.
it's good to see you in this light.
It's good to see you
Have
too.
this. This is for you.
Thank you. Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much,
Please sit down.
Daddy.
Your mommy called me and told me about your condition. I want you to know you're not alone on this, okay? You will be fine, just like you have always been. That's my baby.
Daddy, I'm so happy. I'm so happy you came to see me.
What can I do? I'm happy to see you in this light for real. Don't worry, however it goes, okay? I will always be by your side, every step of the way. You know you are a very strong girl, Olivia. You have always been strong for this family. I want you to remain strong, just like that, okay?
Yes, Daddy.
I'm with you in this one. I'm always going to be with you, okay? It's good to see that you're happy.
Daddy, thank you.
Check your name.
Daddy, you're so fine.
Don't you like it?
No, I like it. I like it.
Princess.
Ma?
Okay, dinner will soon be ready, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Wow.
Do you like it?
I love it. You know you're a beautiful artist, right?
Thank you, Mommy.
And I'm super proud of you.
Thank you.
My baby has a magnificent talent.
Thank you,
All right,
Mommy.
go ahead, okay?
Okay.
And then as soon as you finish eating dinner, make sure you take your drugs, okay?
Yes, Mommy.
I'll serve it right away.
Please give me back my glasses. Why do you always like singing with that cracked voice of yours?
Because I love music.
Oh, you love music? Then why don't you drop out of school, become a singer? Which I know nobody will buy or listen to your music.
Please, hand over my glasses to me.
Why? What for? Oh, you can see without your glasses. How many fingers? How many fingers? How many fingers? Ah, shut up,
That's not cool, Ada. Give Dorothy back her glasses.
Have I not warned you to mind your business in this school?
Bullying is prohibited in this school. You did it to me the last time. I kept quiet, thinking your conscience would judge you. You need to stop this. I'm sure you have junior students who look up to you. Here, go to class. I'll meet you there.
Thank you, Olivia.
You know, you really need to be careful in this school. Watch your back.
I'm not scared of you, Ada. And I'll always stand up for what's right.
Ooh. Bravo! Human Rights Activist 001. Bravo! Don't walk out on me.
Don't touch me, Ada.
I said don't walk out on Ada.
Don't touch me.
Don't walk out on Ada.
Don't touch me.
And why are you guys standing there? Fools!
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, the saved a wretch like me. I was once lost, but now I'm found. Was blind. Oh my God. Hi, Olivia.
That was amazing.
Thank you, but I was just practicing. You know, this is actually one of my favorite songs.
Really, it's one of my favorite songs too. It doesn't matter if you're just practicing. You should sing more often.
Yeah, you know, Ada doesn't want to hear me sing.
What? That's Ada's problem, not yours. You have such an amazing voice. Don't let anyone take that away from you.
Thank you, Olivia. It means a lot coming from you.
You're welcome. Don't let anyone intimidate you in school or anywhere else, okay?
I promise. I won't let anybody or anyone intimidate me. I will always be myself.
That's good. Remember, you have an amazing talent. And remember, everybody in this school is equal, all right?
Thank you. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Please, can you teach me how to sing like that? Because my voice...
Okay. Okay. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, the saved, a wretch like me. I was once lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see.
Matilda, what is it? What happened?
I heard what happened with Ada. Why'd you get yourself involved?
I couldn't just stand by and watch Dorothy get bullied. Ada is fond of intimidating people, and it's not right.
Sid, I know you mean well, but Dorothy's old enough to defend herself. Olivia, I want you to be careful. Ada is not someone you should mess with, considering who her mother is.
And what does her mother have to do with any of this?
Her mother is one of the major sponsors of the school. She's a big influence. If you get on Ada's bad side, things will just go terrible for you.
Why? Because I'm on a scholarship? Come on, Matilda. I'm not scared of Ada's mother. I have a mother too. Besides, bullying is not right, no matter who the person think they are.
Olivia, please be careful. I don't want to see you get hurt.
Don't worry. I can take care of myself. And I'll always stand up for what's right.
My future barrister.
Call me Barrister Olivia Obi.
Oh, yeah. I heard Anna called you an activist.
Human rights activist 001.
Don't play.
That's me.
Don't play.
That's me.
Is there only one girl that you want?
Yes, and it's only for me. I'm not sharing.
Shoo. You need to stand up.
Shoo.
You're sketching again?
Yes, you know it helps me relax.
You're really good at it.
Thank you.
Olivia. I'm still not comfortable with Ada's situation.
I thought we were done talking about that already.
I thought we were too, but you know your situation and how stress can affect your health. Is it really worth risking it?
Maybe I shouldn't have told you.
Don't you dare. We will always tell each other everything.
My health is not going to stop me from doing what's right. Matilda, if anybody needs defending, I won't hesitate to stand up for them, regardless of these consequences.
Can't you just wait till you study law and become a lawyer and defend your clients in the courtroom?
I have to start from somewhere.
Olivia, you can't help anybody if you are not fine. You have to take care of yourself first.
And I promise, I'm taking very, very good care of myself. But I need to use my voice to make a difference.
I can't win with you. You will make a very, very fabulous defense attorney.
Thank you. And that's how I snatched the glass from her and gave it back to the owner. Mommy, she tried to bully me the other day. I kept quiet, thinking her conscience was going to judge her, which it didn't. So I had to take it straight to her face this time.
Adam.
Ma?
I'm super proud of you for standing up for someone. But please, remember your health condition, eh?
I know, Mommy, but I can't just ignore someone being bullied because of my health.
You can't just ignore someone being bullied because of your health. Adam, please, you need to be careful. You know your health condition. I know you're a super girl and you have a big heart. You want to stand up for everybody, but please, Biko.
Using my voice will not jeopardize my health, and I won't do anything that will cause me harm. She tried to push me.
No. No. See
I
that
pushed her
push. No,
back. Mommy, no.
You
I
see that
cannot
push
allow her
side?
to.
Bamba. I don't want that push.
Mommy, she's the one that
Nobody
pushed
should
me
push you,
first.
please.
Mommy, she pushed me first, so I had to push her back.
She pushed you first. I have to push her back.
Scott, are you okay? I mean, this one you sitting here all by yourself and it's not even break time yet. Is anything the issue?
Just going through some personal stuff.
Oh, really? Is it family stuff?
I miss my mom.
Okay. Is she out of town? Huh?
She's late.
Oh my God. I'm so sorry, okay?
It's fine.
Oh my God. Anyways, don't allow that to weigh you down, okay? I mean, you have a very, very bright future. Likewise, everyone here. And we're in our finals. In a couple of weeks, we'll be out of here to the next phase of our life, which is something I'm really, really excited about.
Honestly, bro, same here. Like, I'm super excited to start the university next year.
You get?
You know, I mean, do my 4-year course, graduate, bag a degree, you know, go out there and start getting those deals.
Do you understand? And that's the spirit, you know, with patience, hard work, dedication. We'll get there.
Oh, I hear you. I feel relieved now. Better.
Anyways, just cheer up, okay?
No worry, my bro.
All right.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Baby, I can see you staring at Scott.
No, I wasn't staring. I was just looking at him, that's all.
You've been staring at him a lot in this school. You told me you had a crush on him.
I still do. I know we don't talk at all, but there's something about him I'm trying to figure out. I think it's time I have a conversation with him. I'll be right back.
Wait.
Why are you holding me?
Where do you think you're going to?
To talk to Scott, of course. I need to speak to him before I graduate from this school.
Does it matter?
Yes, it matters to me. We're in the same school and we don't even talk at all. I need to get to know him in person.
Me too. I don't talk to Scott.
Matilda, you and Scott are cordial. You say hi to each other every once in a while.
Look, you don't have to worry about this, okay? We'll talk about it later.
I will be strong. I will stay strong. Love is everything.
Hi, Scott.
How are you doing?
You know, I saw you outside alone. And now you're in the library alone. Why do you like being alone? You could have asked me to join you. Huh?
Like you said, I like being alone.
Anyways, not today. I have something to tell you. Do you mind?
All right.
You know, I've been thinking. We live very close to each other. In fact, we live in the same estate. So why haven't we found our time to hang out and have some fun? You know?
I'm sorry we have not had the time to hang out, like you said. I'm very focused on my studies. I have to impress my father.
I also have to impress my parents, especially my mom. I have to impress my mother, but that doesn't mean we shouldn't create time for fun, you know?
I'm sorry, I can't risk it. I have to study.
What are you even afraid of? Really? You're the best student in our class. Do you know what it means for someone to always come out first as a science student? You don't even need to read to pass. You don't. At all. We have a presentation in class today, and I know you will nail it. So what are you afraid of? Come on, let's have some fun.
And then we can talk about hanging out some other time, okay? For now, we're locked in.
Okay? You're trying to be difficult to convince, huh? Okay. I will leave you today. I will see you another time. Let me leave you to your studying.
Thank you.
I'll see you in class. See you in class.
There's something you need to know about that boy you think you have a crush on.
I don't think. I know I have a crush on him. I don't know, but there's just something so interesting about him. He's so fascinating. And I heard he's the most intelligent student in the science class.
Oh, that's the only good thing about him.
What do you mean by that?
See, everyone knows he only enjoys his company. He doesn't like talking to anybody. Even the boys in his class avoid him. They call him bad energy. And when I tried talking to him, he gave me an attitude. I don't even talk to him anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
You never mentioned that to me, though.
Well, I'm telling you now.
Anyways, maybe he has his battles he's trying to fight, or something is bothering him, or something. Maybe he needs a genuine friend, someone he can confide in.
I'm not buying that. No, he only hangs out with Ada. You know who Ada is? Come on. Olivia, that boy is bad energy. Just don't be around him. You have to stay away from him, okay? I'm your friend. I don't want to see you get hurt.
Thanks, Matilda. Thanks for always having my back.
Of course.
My best friend.
Now and forever.
Now and forever.
Thank you.
Come on.
I'm so sorry, very ungentlemanly.
Good evening, Dad. Hi, Jessica.
Come back here. Is that how you were brought up to greet your elders? Now greet properly.
Good evening, Miss Jessica.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How was school today?
Fine.
Chief, it's okay, he'll come around.
I just hope so.
He will.
I just hope so.
Mr. Children, have it. Okay, to...
This is really nice.
Thank you. Let me call Scott for dinner.
Yeah. Oh. Right on cue. Scott. Dinner is served, Jonas.
I'm not hungry, Dad.
Come on. Scott, please. Food is sumptuous.
Who made the food?
I did.
I don't want to eat. I just want to study outside. Excuse me.
I'm sorry about that, please. Like you rightly said, he needs time.
It's okay. I understand. Let's just give him some time. He'll come around.
Yes. Time.
Mm-hmm.
Scott! Scott! I've been looking for you.
I'm going to go to the library.
Oh, really? Okay, we can go.
Actually,
I want to ask for a favor.
go on.
Okay, I'm having issues with chemistry, especially organic chemistry. So I was wondering if you could help me.
Okay, that won't be a problem. Just tell me where and when.
Okay, so let's meet up at either your place or my place this weekend.
I won't be free this weekend at my house. No.
Oh.
How about we study here in school when we're both free?
School?
Yeah.
Why not your house?
I told you I won't be free.
Oh, okay. I'll let you know when I'm free in school.
Alright, that's cool. Library.
Why can't I have an alone time with him? I mean, why is it proving difficult? Am I not beautiful enough to be his girlfriend? Okay. Library we call.
Olivia, are you done with picking out the books that you need?
Yeah, I'm done. I was just going through some other textbooks. I'm looking for something interesting I could read after I'm done with my assignment.
Was that Scott I saw walking out? Were you trying to talk to him?
No, not at all. Not after what you warned me about him. I can't let someone like him break my heart.
Exactly. Don't go near that guy. Don't go near bad energy, okay? Let's study. I think we need to revise more on this. What do you think? What topic was that?
I will be strong. I will stay strong. It doesn't matter what may come my way. I will keep standing with my shoulders high. I will be strong.
Hi, Scott.
Oh, hi Matilda.
How are you? I mean, I've not really gotten the chance to have a long conversation with you, so how's everything going?
Yeah, everything is good. Keeping up with schoolwork.
Nice. You're always studying.
I mean, what can I
Well,
do?
if you ever need a friend to confide in, I would like to be that friend.
Okay.
So, what are you studying?
Right now, I'm just going through history class again. It's crazy. I'm trying to go through.
I'm sure you get the hang of it.
Definitely. I mean, I will. Yeah. So how about you? Where are you headed? You class right now?
No, not really.
Oh,
Just there. Olivia! 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 Can we talk?
Talk about what exactly? I saw you earlier talking and laughing with Scott. You even touched him. This is someone you asked me to stay away from.
Why are you overreacting? Scott likes me. Why are you being jealous?
Jealous?
Overreacting? Yes. You just don't like the fact that Scott likes me and not you. Why are you so bitter?
Did you just call me bitter? I can't believe you would say that to me. You told me he was a snob and I should stay away from him because you didn't want me to get hurt. What are you doing right now?
Well, people change, you know.
You lied to me, Matilda. You made me believe he was someone he's not. I'm sorry, but I can't trust you anymore.
Well, that's your problem. Why are you being so unreasonable?
I've administered some drugs to Ada, and she's currently asleep now. So you both can come back later and check up on her.
Okay, nurse.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I'm not happy with you.
Why?
You left me sitting alone in the cafeteria. That's kind of rude. And you didn't even ask for my permission before you leave.
Sorry, am I supposed to ask for your permission before I leave?
Yes.
Really? I had a sick classmate, okay? We need to take her to the sick bay.
You didn't even know she was sick until Olivia made a fuss out of it.
Olivia made a fuss out of her dad's health. Why are you being so insensitive, Matilda?
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to be insensitive.
It's fine. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Yo, this is so lovely. Who drew something this beautiful? Wow, no, come on now, this is too real. Wow, I mean, looks so real. He looks like me. Hey, Matilda, please come. Sorry, 1 sec. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry for bothering you. I just want to ask a very quick question. Do you have any idea who in this school can draw this good? Or sketch something like this?
No.
Yo, I'm coming from the library and I saw this sketch of me. Look, it's me. Can you see?
Yeah, very beautiful, but I don't know anyone who's talented at drawing or sketching.
Yo, because I honestly love this thing. Like, I'm so fascinated by it right now. Are you sure you don't know anybody? Take a good look at it.
See, I'm definitely sure whoever the person is, he would appreciate the compliment, but no.
Sorry, did you say he?
Yeah, he.
No. I think it's a female student who drew this. Yeah, what do you think?
I don't know.
Anyway, it's fine. I'll keep on looking for who drew it. I really, really, really love it.
Yeah, it shows on your face. You can't stop smiling.
Am I smiling?
Yes, you are.
Oh, really? Cool. Anyway, thank you. I'll keep on searching.
Sure.
Yeah. Wow. Sis. Yo, bro, sorry. Alpha, do you know anybody that drew this? Or anybody that's very good in drawing? Or sketching or something? I found this in the library. Wow, this is really, really, really good. Yeah, look, it's me.
I can see the resemblance, but I don't have the slightest idea who can. Wow, let me see. Who can draw this? And there's no bookmark there.
No. I saw it in the library just now.
Really good.
Thank you.
Well, I have no idea though.
Yeah, standing here, it is now so clear that everywhere I go, anywhere I am, everything I do, every road I take leads me back to the role I'm here to play.
Olivia, we need to talk.
What's wrong, Matilda? Is everything okay?
Don't play dumb with me, Olivia. I know what you're up to.
I have no idea what you're talking about, Matilda. What's wrong?
Really? Why are you trying to sabotage Scott and I's relationship with your sketch?
I really don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know? You want to act like that? Okay. Explain to me why Scott found a sketch of himself.
Oh no, the sketch must have slipped out of my backpack.
Are you still lying?
I swear, Matilda, I'm not lying. It's not, the sketch is not in my bag, it's gone.
Quit the sermon, Olivia. Look, I know your game, and I know what you're trying to do, but it's not going to work. Why don't you focus more on your health instead of trying to get Scott to notice you?
Olivia, are you okay?
Yes, Ma.
So, why are you sitting here all by yourself looking lost? You should be going home.
Yeah, I'm about to. Goodbye, Miss Johnson.
Goodbye, Olivia.
Olivia. Keo.
Nothing, Mommy, I'm fine.
You have been like this since you got back from school. Are you sure you're okay?
I'm just a bit tired, that's all. Thank you.
Adam, you know you can tell me anything. Anything at all. Hmm?
Yes, Mama.
Take your drugs.
Hey, Olivia. Hey, are you okay? Sorry, talk to me. Are you fine?
No, my chest.
Sorry. Let's go to the sick bay, okay? Let's go. Sick bay, let's go. Can you walk? Do you need me to carry you? Hey. Let's go. Sick bay, let's go. No, let's go now.
No, I'm fine.
What do you mean you're fine? You're not well. Let's go.
I'm okay. I feel better now.
All of a sudden you're good?
You can go to your class. I'm really okay.
Are you sure? Yo.
Standing here, it is now so clear that everywhere I go, anywhere I am, everything I do.
I was thinking maybe I should come over to the classroom to talk to you about it.
Oh, Olivia, I don't have a problem with that. If you find it difficult to understand any of my subjects, you're free to come by. I'm always here to assist you.
Thank
okay?
you so much, Miss Johnson.
You're good.
In my world, this little light of mine got no time to spare. Oh, that's my point.
Thanks for the other day. I really appreciate your concern.
No, it's fine. It's okay. I didn't really do anything. You didn't let me take you to the sick bay.
Oh no, it wasn't necessary.
Are you sure?
Mm.
How are you feeling now?
I'm okay.
Okay, just in case you want to talk about it. Yes, I think you complained about chest pain.
My chest. No, it's nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Mm.
Look, Olivia, I don't mean to intrude into your personal life. Yeah? Just in case you want to talk about it, you can talk to me.
Sure. Thank you so much, Scott.
No problem. Don't just forget anything.
Sure.
Yes. Alright.
Scott.
Hi, Matilda. So,
Can we talk?
yeah, sure, why not?
I noticed you've been avoiding me lately. You no longer hang out with me like you usually do.
Look, I'm not intentionally avoiding you. Okay, I'm just very busy with a lot of schoolwork right now, as you can see.
Really?
Yes.
Well, I saw you talking to Olivia. It seems you have time for her, but not me.
Look, Matilda, I don't know where all this is coming from. Okay, I was just checking up on Olivia. I mean, I saw her once crying and she refused to tell me what was going on. You know.
Really?
Yes, she complained she has this chest pain thingy.
Well, I mean, if she's sick, then you have to check up on her.
Exactly. She's a friend, right? You two roll up together well. Didn't she tell you she was sick or something? Or did she complain about chest pain or anything to you?
No, she didn't tell me anything about any pain.
Really?
Yeah. What, do you think I'm lying to you?
No. All I'm saying is just check up on her and know if she's okay. She's your friend.
I will.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Miss Johnson.
I have an important announcement to make as regards our practical. So next week, all classes, including the art class, the science class, will be merging as one for an important project based on agriculture. And we will be visiting the conservation park. This is an opportunity to experience nature. I want you all to come prepared, fully engaged for this wonderful expedition. Yes, Olivia?
Miss Johnson, are we going to be seeing lions and other animals?
Yes, definitely yes. We will be seeing a whole lot of animals and we'll get to explore more and learn more. This will be all for now.
Thank you, Miss Johnson.
Hi, Olivia. Can I talk to you for a minute?
Sure. What's
Thank
up?
You know, I couldn't help but noticed that you no longer hang out with Matilda. And she's getting closer to Scouts. I've seen them together a few times.
Everything between I and Matilda is just fine, thank you.
Okay, if you say so. You know, I've been thinking a lot lately, and I discovered something.
What is it, Ada?
I've been pretty mean to you all this while. I've been mean. But you've shown me kindness and concern. Like, you make me see the world differently now. Even if I know I don't deserve it.
Everybody have their moments. The most important thing is for you to learn and grow from those moments.
I know. You know, but I want to express my gratitude personally for all your advice, for taking me to the sick bay. You know, you made me see the kind of life that I was living. I started crying immediately. I remembered Linda and Sarah. They are no longer in this school because they were trying to be loyal to me.
I'm glad my advice paid off. But Scott assisted in taking you to the sick bay as well.
I know. But he doesn't want to be my friend. Rather, in a relationship.
I thought you and Scott were pretty close.
I tried. But he keeps on giving me excuses why we shouldn't hang out.
Oh. I didn't realize that.
Yeah, I know. He's a good guy. But I'm tired of forcing myself on him. I'm tired. You know what? Olivia, thank you once more. Okay?
You're welcome. You're welcome, Ada.
Thank you.
I and some students will be playing some games later this week. I would really love if you could join us.
Of course. Of course I will. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Woo! Nice.
Joshua, truth or dare?
Yeah.
Dare.
Boss.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay. I dare you to do the chicken dance in front of the whole playground.
Okay. Fine, that's not very good.
Now, Matilda doesn't want to join.
It's okay. I don't want to force anyone. Just let her be. Okay.
Spin it.
Dorothy. Okay. Truth or dare? Dare.
Okay.
Okay. I dare you to act like a monkey for at least 2 minutes.
Go Dora. Go Dora. Go Dora. Go Dora. Go Dora. Go Dora. Yeah. Go Dora. Go Dora. Go Dora. Go Dora. Is that a monkey?
Yo, guys, this seems really fun. Can I join?
Thank you.
We do not need you here, Matilda.
Ada, please, let's not do that. She could join if she wants.
Okay.
Ooh. Wow, your turn. Truth or dare?
Okay.
Are you crushing on any student in this school?
Yes, I am.
Ooh.
Okay.
That's so sweet. I wonder how she is.
Spin it.
Dorothy.
Dorothy again. Go Dora. Go Dora.
Can you see how this looks? Yes.
All right, guys, we're here. Welcome to the Conservation Park. So today, we have the privilege of exploring nature.
Wow.
Have fun. Take pictures. Take pictures with your group games.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. I know you like it.
Yes.
All right.
together today, play all our games together. What do you think?
Yes, sure. Sounds like fun.
Fun, right? Good.
So where do we start from?
Start? Look over there.
I think there's a monkey there.
Yeah, look right there.
Standing here, it is now so clear that everywhere I go, anywhere I am, everything I do, every road I take leads me back to the role I'm here to play. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it
Hey, Olivia. Be careful. Are you okay? Sorry. Are you fine?
Yeah.
Here, I brought this for you. Take. Sorry. How are you feeling now? What's going on? Talk to me.
I'm okay.
No. Tell me the truth.
I just needed to rest a bit. The water helped.
Hey, sorry. Olivia.
Olivia,
Hey.
are you okay?
No, I think she needs to go. I think she needs to go home more. She's feeling pain. Olivia. Sorry.
Guys?
Take it easy. Okay, sorry.
Guys?
Sorry.
Sorry, please. We need to cut short today activities. We have to get back to the school. Olivia here is not feeling too well.
It's okay.
Please get medical attention, please. To the school bus, please. Let's go.
School bus, let's go. Go to the school bus. Okay. Sorry, easy, okay.
Jesus. Adam.
My rashes are back and they look very awful.
Oh my God. No. This doesn't look good at all. Hey, no. I need to take you to the hospital right away. Hold on. Let me get my car keys. God. Oh, Jesus. Go on. Let's go. Just drop your school bag here. Let's go. Oh. Sorry. Oh. Sorry.
So sorry. You'll be fine. I'm going to recommend an injection called rituximab. This rituximab targets antigens, so it can't trigger immune system, so it will help us to manage lupus. But the problem is it's very expensive.
Doctor, is it going to make me feel any better?
Yes, Olivia, you'll be fine.
Doctor, why is it very expensive? What did you call it, rituximab?
Yes, rituximab. It's going to target all the immune cells that are causing the inflammation in our system. Though it's very expensive and it might take a little while for you to see the effects, but I assure you, It's the right step in the right direction.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Madam, your daughter is in safe hands, eh?
Okay.
Please don't hesitate to call for a nurse if you need anything.
Okay.
I'll be in my office.
And doctor, please, is there nothing you can give her to at least subside the pain?
Don't worry, I will give her some ibuprofen.
Okay, please,
yeah?
please.
I'll be in my office, eh?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Please, they should just bring the ibuprofen as fast as possible.
Okay.
Please. It's okay. It's okay. We'll get you something to feel better, okay? Oh, okay.
I heard what happened to Olivia. I heard she had some complications after the excursion.
Yeah.
I wish I knew. I would have ordered her to put on a hat or something.
Oh, I know. It's fine. It's fine.
I feel so terrible exposing her to danger. I'm so sorry.
Miss Johnson, come on. These things happen. And I know it wasn't intentional, okay? I understand. All right? And Olivia's health is my top priority. And I ensure that I do everything to make sure she's well. Okay?
Okay, no
It's
problem,
fine.
ma. No problem, ma. I want you to be rest assured. Olivia is loved by everybody here in the school. Her classmates and myself, we're going to miss her.
I know.
And when she gets back to school, I promise to take good care of her.
It's okay. Thank you very much, Miss Johnson.
Thank you very
so
much, madam.
I do appreciate.
Thank you
All right,
very
take
much.
care, yeah?
All right, madam.
Do take care of yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, bye.
I've not seen Olivia today. Oh. You see? She didn't come to school again today. I don't understand. Yo, Martin, Matilda. Hi. Are you okay? How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Are you?
No, I'm not fine. I'm a bit worried. Okay, I've not seen Olivia in school today. Do you know where she is?
No. But why should you be worried? I'm sure Olivia is fine.
No, why do you mean I should be worried? I've not seen her in school for days now. You have a friend, you should know where she is, right? Have you called her?
No.
No, you've not called your friend. No, just give me her number. I'll call her myself, okay?
I don't have it. And Scott, you shouldn't be bothered about Olivia. Olivia is fine.
Listen, if there's anybody in this school that should know about Olivia, it's you. You're her friend. Why are you sounding like
And
this?
if I don't, what, are you going to blame me for her absence?
It's not like I'm going to blame you, but you know, it's fine. Just don't worry, it's fine. Hi.
I overheard your conversation with Matilda about Olivia. I have a number, but I didn't bring my phone to school.
You have a... Did you try to call her?
Yes, I tried, but her phone is off. You know, I would have gone to her house, but you know.
No, hold on. You know where she lives?
Yes, I know where she lives.
Where?
She stays at Ajawa Estate.
You know what? I'm going to give you my number. You text me her number when you get home, okay? Please.
Standing here, it is now so clear that everywhere I go, anywhere I am, everything.
Matilda. Hey, Matilda. We need to talk.
What's wrong, Scott?
You knew Olivia was behind the sketch and you said nothing. You lied. You said you didn't know.
I
You
didn't mean to.
you what? Keep your expression to yourself. You liar. I mean, you're supposed to be her friend. You didn't even care about her health. Nothing. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry,
Sorry
Scott.
about what? The fact that you lied to me? Or the fact that you didn't even tell me she had lupus? You're supposed to be her friend. You're supposed to have her back. Olivia deserves better. What kind of a person are you? You're not nice at all.
Thank you guys so much. I feel better now. Thank you.
It's happy to have you back, Olivia.
It's so good to be back.
I'm so sorry for not coming to visit you while you were out of school. You know my parents are really strict, so they won't let me leave the house.
No, it's okay. There's no need to apologize. I understand.
Thank you, Olivia. We got this for you.
Oh, thank
guess
you.
you like it?
Thank you guys so much. Yeah.
Olivia?
Thank you.
Olivia?
Thank you.
Good morning. Good morning. So good to see you.
It's good to see you too, Miss Johnson.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, ma.
We need to talk. Come have a seat. Sit. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
I was so shocked to hear about your condition. Why didn't you tell me about your health?
I'm so sorry, ma. I didn't want to seem like a burden or seem like I'm looking for special treatment or anything like that.
Come on, Olivia. You're not a burden. You should tell me about your health. I'm always here to support you.
Thank you so much, Miss Johnson. I really appreciate.
You should keep communication open. If you need any support, any form of support, don't hesitate to come to me, okay?
I will, ma. I promise. And I'm so sorry I didn't tell you about my health.
And I'm happy to have you back. Come with me. I have a gift for you. Let's go.
Thank you, ma.
Come here. How are you?
Wait.
Olivia.
How are you? I'm fine.
How you feeling?
I'm fine now.
Oh my god, I'm so glad to see you! Oh my god! You know, Dorothy told me that you were sick. So how are you feeling now?
I'm okay now.
Oh, I'm so happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too.
See, if you need anything at all, don't hesitate to ask me, okay?
I will.
Okay?
I will.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Welcome.
you.
Olivia! Oh my god, Olivia is back!
Yo, what have you done to Ada?
I didn't do anything.
Nothing. You and I know that's not her. She's just changed completely. Anyway, it's nice to have you back.
Thank you.
I'll fill you in with schoolwork, okay? Time shit.
morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss
Olivia.
Johnson.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm doing okay, ma.
If you have anything at all that has to do with schoolwork, let me know, okay?
Sure, I will.
And how is your studies going?
It's going fine, thank you.
Hope you're not struggling with anything at all.
Not at all.
I want you to take things one step at a time, okay? If you need any help at all, don't hesitate to come to me.
Sure, I will. I promise.
All right, Olivia.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, Dad.
How are you, son?
Welcome, Dad.
How was your day?
Fine.
Good.
Welcome, Miss Jessica.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Miss Jessica will prepare something for us. Let me go freshen up.
Amazing. That'll be so good. Thank you, Mom.
Why is he suddenly being so nice to you?
I'm equally surprised. Maybe he's in a good mood.
Oh, well, I wouldn't know. But well, hey, look, let me go freshen up.
Oh, let me make dinner for us.
Good.
I want to assure you that you have nothing to worry about, madam. Olivia is doing quite well in school, and she's keeping up with her studies.
Okay.
And seems to be managing everything quite okay.
That is such a relief. Honestly, I have been so worried about her because, I don't get to keep an eye on her because she's in school.
You don't have to worry about her. We're keeping a close eye on her.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, madam.
Thank you, Miss Johnson. And I actually appreciate all that you do for the children.
No problem.
Thank you very much.
No problem, madam. That's
Yeah.
why we're here. You don't have to worry about Olivia when she's not around with you. We are here to take care of her.
Okay. All right, then, so I will just leave you to do your job while I do the home job.
All right. Thank you
Thank you very much. So I'll take my leave now.
No problem. Thank you very much for stopping by.
Oh, thank you too.
All right, madam.
All right.
All right.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay, Mom.
Careful. 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 Sorry. Nurse.
Scott, I
Nurse.
don't know why you're so stubborn. I told you I'm fine. I don't need to be admitted into this school clinic.
Nurse, please come, please. She's sick. She's not feeling too well.
Don't worry, come with me. Oh my God, you're room temperature. Just go, you'll be fine.
Careful, you're going to be fine, okay? Trust me, you're going to be fine. Sorry, okay? Just please. Careful.
Hey, Scott. Is Olivia okay?
So far I think yes. She's inside there with the nurse.
Is it serious?
Right now, I can't tell.
I hope she's fine.
Oh, Jesus. Focus on soon.
Okay.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. I'm gonna let it change my world. This little light
Olivia.
of mine.
I've informed your mother about what happened. She has sent us the hospital address. She'll meet us there. The school bus will take us there. I'll have to accompany you.
Thank you, Miss Johnson.
You don't need to thank me, Olivia.
Your health is our top priority. Just focus on getting better. Okay? Okay? I want to see you doing well. Again.
Standing here, it is now so clear that everywhere I go, anywhere I am, everything I do, every road I take leads me back to the role I'm here to play. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. I'm gonna let it change my world. This little light of mine, got no time to spare. Oh, that's my point of view. I'm not afraid of anything. I will be strong, I will stay strong. It doesn't matter what may come my way, I will keep standing with my shoulders high. I will be strong, I will stay strong. Love is everything. Love is everything.
Scott, your belly touched your food. Is everything okay?
No, Dad. It's about Olivia.
Olivia? What's wrong with her?
She's sick.
Sick?
Yes. She has lupus.
Lupus?
Yes. It's an autoimmune disease. She's currently in the hospital, but I think she'll be discharged tomorrow.
I'm so sorry to hear that, son. I'm so sorry. I'll continue to be there for her.
I'll do that as much as I can.
Well, I know this will be very difficult, but you've got to be there for her. And look, don't let it weigh you down. Try and eat.
Hey, baby. What are you reading? You've been on your laptop since you came.
I'm trying to read up something about Lupus. Trying to understand it more. Scott's friend, Olivia, has it and he's been very worried about her.
That's serious?
Yes, and from what I've seen so far, what I've read so far, it's lupus is a disease that occurs when your body's immune system attacks your own
tissues and organs. Wow.
But the good thing about it is that it can be managed if you use the right treatment.
Huh.
I want to be there for my son. I want to know what he's going through, you know.
I understand.
I understand it.
I understand. I know you're a good dad. You've always been.
Thank you.
Wow. Autoimmune disease. Serious.
Baby, are you sure you're up for this? You were barely discharged yesterday.
Yes, Mommy. I'm fine now. I promise. And besides, my exams are just around the corner. I need to go.
I know. But your health is very important.
I understand, Mommy. Besides, I'm feeling much better now. See. The doctor said I should take it easy, and I'll do just that. I can't let a little setback like this stop me from writing my final exams.
That's the spirit. It's fine. Alright, you can go. But you have to take your drugs before you leave.
Yes.
Alright? Yes, ma'am, because she wants to leave.
How are you, son?
Oh, Dad, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How's your friend, Olivia?
She's fine now. She's okay.
Was she able to write her final exams?
Oh, yes. Yes, she did.
Good.
She did. Dad.
Yes.
I hope you'll be coming for my graduation ceremony.
Of course, I will be there. I will miss you for anything in the world.
Okay. Great. Great.
Can I come along with Jessica?
Yes, sure.
Oh.
Sure. And both of you can even meet Olivia.
That's a good idea. Look forward to seeing her.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
But I thought you don't like football. Why are you?
I don't know how that thing got there. I just met it.
Mommy! I'm done with my final exam.
Oh, my baby. Congratulations, baby.
Thank you, Mommy.
And I trust you'll come out in flying colors.
Sure.
I'm
expecting a gift from you.
Abia. Okay. What do you want?
I want to go to Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata, that park, that water park.
Are you a baby?
Yes, I'm your baby.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Okay. My big baby. Congratulations, baby.
Thank you, Mommy.
So, the best graduating student is Master Joshua Nnaji. Next in line, we have Matilda Carfor. And overall best student, Science Department, Master Scott DK. Overall best science student, arts department, Miss Olivia Obi.
Why is he so quiet? Why is he so quiet? You should have said something by now. It's taking too long already now. Come on, it's taking too long.
I just hope Olivia is fine. She looks really pale when she collapsed.
Is she going to be alright? Is she going to be alright?
She has to be. She really has to be. I mean, Olivia is the strongest person I know. She's gonna pull through this, okay? I believe she will. I believe she will.
You just have to stay positive, okay? You just have to stay calm. Olivia is a fighter. You know she's going to scale through this. Let's just pray for her. know she will.
Now I know I'll be misunderstood, but I'll be fine. Is the will of
Doctor,
my
what really happened? Please. How is my daughter?
Mr. Peter, I'm afraid I have some concerning updates about your daughter's health.
Doctor, please, what is it? Tell us. Yeah. What is it?
As we've known before, your daughter is suffering from an autoimmune disease called SLE, or Lupus, as I've called it before. This Lupus has taken a severe toll on her heart. And we all know that the kind of lupus condition we are talking about is the SLE, the systematic lupus erythematosus. You can call it SLE for short. So this SLE can destroy any part of the body, and in our own case, it has taken a severe toll on our heart. What we can do right now is what we call immunotherapy. Immunotherapy is a process by which we use substance to suppress or stimulate the immune system to reduce its strength, so that instead of fighting the body organs, it will be able to detect and attack tumor cells. This is a step in the right direction. But the problem that we have now is that it's very expensive.
Don't worry, doctor. We'll do everything in our power to sort the bills, okay?
In that case, let's proceed.
Dr. Paul C., I am just coming from the hospital right now. The doctor just told me that we have to start administering her medication at the moment. I need you to lend me some money. I promise to pay you back as soon as possible. Please, you know my Honda car? It's outside. It's still very clean. These are the papers. This is the key. I'm ready to surrender it right now. Please.
Peter, see, if it's easy for me, I would have done it for you, especially because of your daughter. I made some investment, I told you. I just bought 2 houses. This car here, you know I bought it. It's not even up to a month. You know how much I bought this car. You are my friend. I tell you everything.
Dr. Paul, please, I beg you with God. With God. This is my daughter's life at stake here, please. This is the car papers. I'm surrendering everything to you. I will pay you back as soon as possible. Please, the Honda car is outside. You can come and have a look. You already know the car.
I know your car.
Hey, this is the key, please.
How much are we talking about?
Just 5 million. It's small for you.
Where is the car?
It's outside. Look at the paper. Look at the key.
That's your Honda, right?
Yes.
Okay.
It's still very clean.
Okay, Peter, I can only do 3 million for you.
Why are you doing 3 million? Why don't you just do the 5? Please.
Peter, the best thing I can do for you is 4 million. If you don't want the 4 million, then we can forget about it.
Okay. No, you can have them, please. Just do it. Should I call my account number?
Account number.
Okay, I will call it for you right now.
Father, everlasting King of glory, Daddy, the I am that I am. Father, I come before you at this hour. You are the King of glory. God, you are the one who heals. God, you are the one who gives strong health, Father. Daddy, I commit my daughter into your hands. God, Olivia is everything I have. Olivia is all I have, God. Father, she's the only one you gave me. She's the only one you gave me, Father. Please heal my daughter. Daddy, please listen to my plea. Heal my daughter, Lord. Father, you're the one who gives her strength. Father, give her the strength to overcome this illness because it comes from the abyss. Father, send it back to wherever it's coming from. Daddy, heal my daughter in Jesus' name. Amen. Daddy, give her strong health in Jesus' name. Father, please heal my child. Heal my daughter. In Jesus' mighty name, I prayed.
Amen.
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 Olivia. Olivia, how are you?
Don't worry, you'll be okay. Okay?
Do you need anything? Do you want me to get you anything? Olivia.
She will.
I know my God will heal her.
Fine, okay?
Yes, God will heal you.
God
I
is here,
serve
you'll be
a
fine.
living God. He will heal you.
Hey, Olivia, how you doing? Olivia, I've been so worried about you.
Olivia, we are here for you and we are not going anywhere.
You're not alone in this, Olivia. We're all rooting for you to get better.
Olivia, I'm very sorry. I didn't realize how much I hurt you until now. I was just caught up in my jealousy and insecurities. I really want to be a better friend to you. I want to turn back the hands of time so I can change things. But please, I hope you can forgive me. Thank you. I promise I'll be a better friend to you.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I was once lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see.
Baby, how are you?
So, this is the sketchbook and pencil you requested for. And then I want to tell you something. Your father and I have been receiving donations towards your treatment, and you don't even know who has been sending the money. God has been faithful. I mean, God is great. You don't want me to say it? It's okay. You'll be fine, okay?
It was very nice of you and your friends to come together and, work towards Olivia's recovery. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much. Olivia is a very kind person.
I reckon. I will surely make my own donation towards her recovery as well. And keep being good.
Thank you. Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much. I really do care about Olivia.
You should. She's a good girl.
Thank you so much, Dad.
All right. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too.
Do you want to join me dance?
Easy. Or just remove red flag from your end. I'll call it green, don't worry. We're going to still get married, okay? Call it Mrs. Scott. Same name as a mother. What's that? What? Hey, that's us. We didn't have the time to do this. Hey, this is so beautiful. Hey, look. I promise, okay? I'm going to guide this picture with my heart. I'll keep it safe. Alright? I promise. Hey, come here. Listen, I'm going to go through this again, okay? You will come out of this strong. Alright? How do you even do these things?
I think it's best to keep sleeping, okay? Do you need anything? So that when you wake up, I can get it for you. Olivia, I said, do you need anything so I can get it for you when you wake up? Are you sleeping already? Olivia? 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 Olivia, are you? Olivia? Doctor! Olivia? Olivia? Doctor! Doctor! Olivia? Olivia? Doctor! Olivia? Is she okay? Doctor? Doctor, she's fine, right? She's sleeping, right? She's okay.
I'm sorry, mother.
No, doctor. No, Olivia. Olivia. Doctor, please, can you just take her again? Olivia! Doctor!
Madam, you have to calm down.
Olivia!
Olivia, madam.
Olivia, Adam.
Madam.
Olivia. Adam!
It's a wrong
Adam!
Don't prank on me.
Doctor, please take her!
Madam, you need to calm down. Madam!
Olivia!
Madam, you need to calm down. Please come.
Doctor, take her!
Hold up. No.
What happened?
It's a prank.
Olivia!
Listen to me.
Olivia!
What happened?
Olivia!
Olivia! Jesus! Hey.
Olivia, see your mother.
Sir.
Olivia, see your mother. Olivia, see your mother. Olivia.
Please,
Okay.
It's okay.
Olivia, Olivia, I'm here. Mommy is here.
standing here. It is now so clear that everywhere I go, anywhere I am, everything I do, every road I take leads me back to the role I'm here to play. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. I'm gonna let it change my world. This little light of mine, got no time to spare. Oh, that's my point of view. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of anything. I will be strong. I will stay strong. It doesn't matter what may come my way. I will keep standing with my shoulders high.